So hi, good evening, this is Ravi. So today in this video, we'll be learning how to use if conditions in Excel. That is like other programming languages, even in Excel, we can use this such powerful concepts like conditioning and looping, etc., which enables Excel not only to visualize and model data, but also to analyze data. So let's get into the video. So here I have taken a small example. That is like I'm going to create a condition in Excel which can tell by analyzing this ages, and it will be telling whether the person is eligible to vote or not. So for this data, we'll be creating a condition. So let me tell you how to do that. So let me click the first cell in it, and I'll be writing the syntax for condition. So it is similar like the normal if condition. So is equal to if. So the data which is containing the cell which is containing the data is B3, right? So if B3 is greater than 18, that is like if it is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, it means eligible to vote. Below 18, it's not eligible to vote, right? So that is what the condition I'm going to give. So let me give the condition first. The given cell is greater than or equal to 18, comma. The first text will tell whether if the condition is true, what should be the action item. So eligible. Then we put another comma and we write the else statement. If not, if the condition is false, what should be the action item to be done? So I'll be writing not eligible. And just close a parenthesis and we click enter. So 21 is eligible, obviously. Yeah, it's greater than or equal to 18, right? So let me just pull this out. The formula gets copied for the other cells. So you could see here, it has applied the condition to the other cells and it has provided you the right answer. That is like 17 means not eligible and 35 is eligible, etc., like that. So when you work with multiple columns, multiple rows, more than 1,000 data, this if condition could act like a powerful savior for you in the future cases. So coming to the next condition, that is like not only you can apply condition to a single cell, you can compare two cells and also you can provide the analysis. So let me tell you. So here we have like two data, that is like first column tells how many boys are in a class and the next column is number of girls in a class. I want to create a condition to compare these two data and tell who is the majority, that is like boys are more or girls are more. That's it. So same way, I click the cell and I enter the formula is equal to if. So here the given cell is B3 and C3. Let me check if B3 is greater than C3. Obviously, boys are more, right? So I will tell boys are more. Boys are more. If the condition goes false, I put a comma and I write what will be the obviously the other thing is like girls are more. Let me write that girls are more. And close the parenthesis, just click enter. So you could see here it has given the analysis by comparing boys are more in the first case. You can just copy the other cells. The formula gets copied and the proper analysis is given here. You can see here girls are more. So it has given the correct analysis. So now I guess you can actually understand how to use the if conditions in Excel. Here as a bonus point, I want to teach you one more concept here. So usually we use the if condition like such how I taught you in the first two cases. Here there is another condition called COUNTIF. I once in my previous video I taught how to check through the duplicates in Excel. Similarly like that, there is one condition or one formula called COUNTIF which helps to do the same but with some additional features. That is like you can count by applying some conditions. So here I have some student names in my register. I wanted to do one small analysis. That is like when I took the attendance, obviously I can see that there were a lot of Arun in my class. I wanted to check how many Arun are here. So COUNTIF could be a best option to do that analysis because it has some surname. So surely I cannot find the duplicate because it still shows like a unique name. But still I want to pick them out in the name, in the condition of Arun. So I would just click any cell because I'm just going to take one small value. I'm not going to copy it to the other cells. So I take any cell, then I write the formula is equal to COUNTIF. COUNTIF, and I'm going to give the range of from where to where the data is analyzed. You can either tell it directly by checking through, or you can just copy the cells. I mean, highlight the cells like this. The range would get applied directly. So from B3 to B8, I wanted to check what? The name starting with Arun. So I will give Arun first, and I give a star, which means that after the word Arun, there can be anything. It can be a blank space, or it can be any text which followed after that. But I want to collect whatever that starts with Arun followed by anything. So I just close it and I click it here. You will see it gives the value 3, which means we have Arun Kumar, Arun Shankar, and Arun Prasath. You can do it in the reverse manner also. You have something called Prasath, right? If I want to check which starts with Prasath, same way, I have the range applied here. I can just give the formula as I want to check which ends with Prasath, but it can start with anything. So I apply a star here. Then I click enter. You could see 2 Prasath are there, followed by starting first name, and it can be anything. So now I guess you have got a clear idea regarding how if conditions are applied in Excel, plus you got a bonus lecture of how to use COUNTIF to analyze your data. So thank you so much. Let's see in the next video.